Hey guys, welcome back. So I finally got my box from winning the ElliMacs contest, their 1 million contest, and here it is. I'm covering up the addresses, but I got it. I'm real excited to open it. Man, it's just really cool, like, to win out of like worldwide and getting this. Just saw it again. I'm gonna have to figure out how to cover that up. But, you know, I'm really, really grateful. Thank you so much for picking me. It's really cool. If you hear a dog crying in the background, it's because I brought my puppy in. She is bad. She's bad, and she's real sad right now. I'll show you her at the end of the video. She's a puppy. She doesn't look like a puppy because she's a Newfoundland, but she's a real sweet girl. So, alright, so I guess we'll get to the unboxing. Let's unbox this. I'm real excited. One of my knives I won. Anyways, here we go. So let's dive in, shall we? Ooh! So, I use this a lot. They sent me a bag of their ElliMorph plastic. This stuff is awesome. It's a whole instructions. I've used it on my Demogorgon for the teeth. I've used it for fake dentures in my Coraline Mother tutorial. This is really cool. And I've never had this much before, so thank you very much because it's awesome. We got some fun candy. Ooh, I love like other countries' candies. They are usually so much better. I think American chocolate is a lot sweeter from Sweden. So there's Swedish candy, and oh, thank you. I think I'm more excited for the candy than... That's not true. I'm excited for everything. But got some more candy. Little Toblerone. None for you. You can't have any of this candy because it's chocolate. No. You can't have any. So, it's my life with dogs. There's 2 other dogs hanging out with Nick. Alright, so I took out that stuff, so I'll show you a little inside of that. She really wants to be into video, I think. We got some NYX lipstick. And one thing I'll say, Ellie won the Face Awards from NYX a couple years ago, I think. I'm not sure exact date, but her stuff was awesome. Definitely watch her videos for that because she did a fantastic job. I loved it. And I wanted to try out for the American version this year. I missed the deadline because it was like in the middle of summer and I wasn't thinking about horror, but maybe this year I will. But got another little lip color right here. Sorry, it's like, there we go. Yeah. Bright Idea Luminary Stick, that's fun. Liquid liner. Alright. This is lipstick, turned up. Cream lipstick. The little cap's broken. I don't care. A lip shimmer. Okay, so this is just glitter. Glitter moment. We got another one. Shimmer down. That's pretty. Ooh, another little mini lip color. And we got a little makeup palette. The Cosmic Metals. Powder Puff Lippy. Got a Wicked Lippy. This color is really pretty, actually. It's like a purple. Do you like purple? Yeah. She does. And what else? I got some gold glitter. I got fake blood. And low ammonia liquid latex. And vampire blood. I've used this many times. Got some sponge applicators, which is all cool. Oh, wait, a pen. That's fun. Little syringe pen. It was a holographic hollow eyeliner. That's exciting. Little thing of holographic eyeliner. That is fun. So that was my haul. That's what I won. So I'm gonna show you a few things that I'm working on, and then from there, you know, I'll show you my dog because she's been quite the noisy monster, scratching at the door. This is what I'm making. My Barbara from Beetlejuice. I need to make some teeth and give it a good paint job, and then I want to figure out how to like make this all sturdier because it did crack right there. I'm thinking liquid latex or latex paste will work. This might not even work at all, but it was fun to try to do it. Here's a little monster. Lady Bird. I'm ripping up carpet, so that's what you see. Lady Bird, what are you doing, baby? Why are you so sad? So she is a puppy. She's big, but she's also very little still. Don't let her size fool you. She's still just a baby. Huh, honey? You're just a baby. So she's 4 months old. Spoiled rotten. Super sweet. Super noisy. But she's cute. So once again, thank you so much for picking me. I'm really honored and really excited to see what you guys have in store for us for the rest of the year. Like, it's really cool. Like, I was in the middle of makeup and I just couldn't believe it when I saw my name pop up, or that I was tagged on your Instagram story. But really, honestly, thank you so, so, so much. I am so happy and excited to be able to do the things that I've learned to do because I've watched you guys, and you know, I just can't thank you enough. Thanks again. See ya.